Hello from Slovenia again. I will try to do another Spain straight pour, whatever this should be. I will start with Payne's Grey and Bordeaux Red and naphthol red middle and some Pebeo iridescent, precious iridescent gold and naphthol red light. I don't know what will. I will put this Bordeaux here next. And Payne's Grey here, and this naphthol red, and gold again, and naphthol red light. And I hope that I have enough paint. Here is my spinner. And I did something that I didn't mean to. But now it is what it is. I should put paints in 3 cups, not in 1. Let's see how this will go. I will pour this one the other way. You see, I have 3 cups already here, and I poured in one. I really don't know why. And now I will grab a glove, blow it up and do a little dip in the middle. Okay, Flora and Nera are here, if you hear them. Let's see what will happen. Just didn't have this in my head at all. I will just touch my corners a little bit, and then I will look at it again. And sometimes when you pour, you don't like your result, but maybe you will when it will be dry. So I learned that I leave some paintings, I don't scrape them, because maybe I will like it later. Because some paintings really dry nicer than they are wet. Normally they are nicer wet, but still some of them dry really nice, and maybe it would be a mistake to scrape it off. Even if you did just totally different thing that you want to at the first place, or whatever it could be the word. A lot of gold. So strange, sometimes gold disappears totally, sometimes takes over. I will play with these sides a little more later, maybe. As I said, I will leave it, maybe it will look nice dry. I will take you for a close-up. Just a second. Oh. Say hi, Flora. Up. Hope that it will not be too dark, but that you will not have a glare. This naphthol red light and the gold here looks so, I don't know, shiny, but I can show you. And this all is gold, so I think that it will look quite nice when it will dry, and this Payne's gray will be darker too, so I don't know, I will leave it and see what will look like, how it will look like. I can show you the sides, maybe this way, when it will be dry. I don't know, I will see. So totally something different that I have in my head. I just don't know what happened to me that I just pour paints in 1 cup instead of 3. So this is it for today. A little weird day for me, and see you on the next one. Bye.